welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing with you some of my my new little babies, my little plants that I've purchased, and then some clothing options from a store that I had never been to, and I absolutely love it. Okay, so we're gonna start with the cactus. She is from Bloomscape. I found her online. It's an emerald ripple cactus, and I'm still learning about how to take care of all of the plants that I have, but I've created like a little chart that helps me know like when to water, how often to water. Usually I do watering Wednesdays, that's what I call it. So the ones that, you know, need regular watering, I'll just do once a week. And then some of the other plants like the cactus or the Hoya or the succulents, I will wait an additional week, and then I'll just put it in my calendar when I should fertilize and when I should water. It's actually like a fun little game that I play around here because I stay bored. So some of the purchases, I feel like it's a money saving strategy that I'm using because like this Hoya linearis, I found this at a local flower shop in Paducah. It's called Furbish, and this I saw on Instagram on one of, I just follow like a whole bunch of gardening and planting, you know, plants, decorative, like to see how to style different rooms with plants. But this one was from Smart Plant app on Instagram, and I saw this Hoya linearis, and so immediately I went to Google to see who sold this, how much does it cost, and I just happened to call the flower shop the next day and ask if they had it, and sure enough they did. This was for $15, and online it was $30 and up. So this was a good bargain. Then I got this plant stand, and it was from TJ Maxx. I found this for $14.99, which is pretty good. And I love this so much. And then also from TJ Maxx, I got this for $10. And I don't know what it's originally used for, but this is going to be used to propagate. And so I have them all filled up with water. And then this happened today, just today. But this is from my Monstera Deliciosa, and she produced a node. So it was just right there at the soil, and I was waiting for her to come up, and finally this little nodule came up, and I clipped it and put it in this water. And this will root in just a few weeks. And then this one is a Hoya, the Hindu rope. I've got that one cut in here. And then from that Hoya linearis that I bought at the flower shop, I cut off a strand of her to propagate as well. And then the other one I think is a chain of hearts. I'm not sure, but it looks really rough right now. So another thing that I wanted to share is that you can find a lot of the plants that you want at Walmart or Lowe's if you check them, which I know that we're going out of season and they're stopping, you know, carrying their trees and their, you know, plants that are indoor. But sometimes they carry year round, like succulents and things like that. So on Etsy is where you can find quite a bit, and it's very competitive. And I always look at reviews to see how do their reviews look. And the sites or the owners, the sellers that I purchased from, they all had really good reviews. I'll post them below. But this one is a Crimson Queen Hoya, and I put bamboo sticks at, you know, in the pot, and I'm training her to go up the bamboo sticks. Again, I saw it on the Smart Plant app, and it was just a little styling, decorative, you know, thing that someone had done in the shape of an arch, and I really liked it. So I got that for maybe $15. And then this one is another rare Hoya, and I guess it's rare. It's not around here. And this one is a strawberries and cream. And I love this one because it will have pink leaves on it. I'm really into pink plants right now. And then the cage I actually got from Furbish, and it's really neat because it's just like an irregular shaped pot, and then it has the little cage. I think it's a hexagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. So got those plants. Let's see, what else was I going to share? Oh, this one is so sweet. I got this one from Walmart, and this one is called a prayer plant. Also a pinstripe plant. It has pink stripes on it. And for this one, she prays at night. She lifts her leaves up, and then during the day she'll bring them down. So I thought that was really cool. So she's doing really well. She's praying right now, so we're gonna leave her alone. Okay, so the other things that I was going to share with you really quickly is a few of the shops that I went to in Nashville. I saw this shop called Mollie Green, and I fell in love. It's like a bohemian hippie cross between Anthropologie and Revolve, and really good prices. So these pants I got so many compliments on. They're so cute. They're the big not ruffle, but pleated, and they just flow so perfectly, and I love these. Then I got these dusters. This one is a marbled duster that I got from Mollie Green. This one was, I think, $62. So this one is comfortable and cute and cozy. It's like a marbled gray. And then I'm into dusters for fall. I wear them all the time. This one is a snake print one. I like how it looks kind of like a robe, and you can wear heels with it with ripped up jeans, or really the possibilities are endless. But I love the print. And then this was another duster that was $62. And if you know me, you know I'm all about whites and creams. And this one, super cute. It has buttons on the sides. I usually wear mine open, but it's gathered here with the little button, cute little buttons. So I love the dusters and the pants. And then I'll have to, let's see, Altered State was the other shop that I went to, and I got the cutest bell bottoms. Bell bottoms are in now, and they're navy and white stripes, and they are so adorable on. They're just fitted through the leg, and then they flare out. And then also from Altered State, I got this belt that everyone was asking me if it was a Gucci belt, and it looks just like the emblem, but I got this for like $15. And so I love this. Okay, so for this week we will do 3 winners. All you have to do is like the video, be subscribed to my channel, and then comment down below your favorite plant or some video ideas that you would like to see. And I have so many more plants that I want to share with you, but I'm going to do them in different videos because I'm trying to get everything ready for the week. And so anyways, I hope you all have a wonderful week. Set some goals, go after them, be happy. Don't let anybody take your joy. Don't let anything take your joy. It's yours for you to keep. So thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it, and hope everybody has a wonderful week.